This is our homemade e-bike. It's made from parts from AliExpress and an old bike. Alright, well the e-bike can do 80 kilometers an hour on the flat. We have measured that through GPS, I don't know, but we've taken it off-road. It's heaps of fun off-road, you know, got heaps of power. So these foot pegs are just a bit of pipe welded to the frame of the bike. Originally it had pedals, and then the pedals got in the way of the motor and the chain, so we got rid of those. And then we had no pedals, and then we used to sit on it like this with our feet up here. Very ergonomic, and it's really dodgy because if you like put any force on your feet, it steers the bike, so it's terrible. So we got rid of that, put these foot pegs on here. I say foot pegs, but it's literally just a bit of welded pipe, and that seems pretty good. So this battery pack is made of 18650s. There's 100 of them here. The configuration is 20 in series and then 5 in parallel, which gives us 72 volts, I think. And then over here we've got our battery management system, which we got from AliExpress as well, and that handles the overcurrent, undervoltage, overvoltage protection, all that. And then that powers this speed controller, again from AliExpress. And it drives the 3-phase brushless DC motor, which we're using. Okay, so the way we spot welded the battery was, this is an old microwave transformer. The primary is connected to this relay, which then we feed it with 240 volt there and 12 volts into this input, and that is switched by this foot pedal. I don't have my power supply here, but that was just basically through there and then into there. And then the secondary I cut off and rewound with, what is that, like 3 turns of, I think it's a 0 gauge. Power output is on this one. And then this is DC input. Cool, and then I'm just gonna ignore this. Oh, has this got a hole? Oh, bro, it has a hole in it. That's nice. Some of them don't. Clip on there. This. See if I can get this to stay up. 1, 2. Need some more oomph.
Bro, is that Morse code?
Yeah. And then I've made these spot welding whatevers from some boat nails, which I then soldered to some wire, and then we pretty much just clamp them on there, and then all you've got to do is hold it on the battery and push the foot pedal for like, you know, fraction of a second and good to go. Currently to charge this, it's very not unelegant, whatever. We have to chain a few of my lag power supplies in series to get 72 volts, and then basically I just charge it in constant current mode for like, I don't know, 2 amps seems good. I don't want to get things too hot until it gets to whatever voltage, and then it's just constant voltage from there. This speed controller current limits at I think 40 amps, but we have seen peaks of like 60, 70 amps on this when we're measuring it, so it does get up there. Things do get pretty warm at that current, but I don't know, seems to be fine. And when the battery gets too low, the battery management system cuts out. So it has 3 speeds. There's a switch right here, forward and reverse. But we've actually rewired the reverse switch in this bundle of wires so that F is safe mode and then R is for race, aka it's the on switch.
And you might want to say like why.
Yes.
And oh, actually no, we don't. I can just insert that clip of me setting it into a wall.
Yeah. Calibration, it like swaps it every time you.
Oh, right.
Holy fuck.
Bit of torque, eh?
Yeah, bro. That fucking thing got me, bro. It got me. Holy shit,
That's your phone, isn't it?
Yeah, I should talk about
Did you shit on the chicken?
Whoa, that's fast.
Wait, do a run.
It's a bit faster when it's charged, eh?
What do you mean?
Save the battery.
Yeah, I'm saving it.
To the
Does it take to charge a battery like
Alright,
that?
give us a burnout, G.
You want to burn out? Oh, do not turn the throttle right.
Ditto. Get out of it.
Get the tires nice and warm.
Bro, it actually like held its full weight doing it.
Express fucking mounts. It's all good. It's good.
That open clip is nice, eh? Just get your showy out or whatever.
I don't know about that.
I don't know about that.
Alright.
Think you take your shit too?
Yeah.
Does it?
It's alright. It's not very reliable. GoPro.
This is so fucking. That cunt's like, what the fuck?
Bro, he's going fast. That's good, eh?
Got there real quick, bro.
Yeah, did you? Yeah, you look like you're hooning it right from the start.
Yeah.
Did you? Where did you start?
I want to think I'm alive, eh?
I started where I could see people coming into